Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Bluesky. To scheduling posts on Bluesky, you can use third-party tools since the platform does not provide a scheduling feature. So here is the step-by-step guiding using popular scheduling tool. So I will be moving in the next browser. So here is the website which is called radar.io. You will find on Google easily. You will just create a account or login easily. After creating your account, you will just move in this left side is the subscription. I will just tap on it easily, and after get inside you will just tap on this settings icon, and after inside you will choose the second option is channels. I will just tap on it, and here is the connect option. I will just tap on it connect, and you will just find your feature account. I will just connect it with this blue sky account, and I will just tap on it. If you know that how to use this schedule your post on Blue Sky, you will just see this video, but I will just forget it, and I will just tap on this next button. And what gonna do, you will just add your Blue Sky email address and password. So successfully I will just connected my Blue Sky account with this radar.io. And what gonna do the next, you will just move in this left side is the publishing. I will just tap on it easily. So here is the calendar. You will just choose the day. I will just choose this Thursday. I want to just new post, just tab on it easily. And what gonna do, you will just select the channel. I will just selected this Blue Sky. And what gonna do, you will just add your customization right over here. You will just upload image, video, and you will just put the link and texts. And whenever your post is completed, you will just tap on this publish button, and you will just also set that date and time from here. So this is you can just use how to scheduling post on Blue Sky. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.